Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mojito for cafe. Start by chilling glasses and prepping fresh limes, mint, simple syrup, white rum, and soda water. Muddle mint gently with syrup to release aromatic oils without causing bitterness, then add lime juice and measured rum. Fill with crushed ice, stir to lift mint through the drink, top with soda, and garnish with a mint sprig and lime wheel. Measure ingredients precisely and prepare missi en place for speed and consistency. Use fresh lime juice, quality white rum, simple syrup, fresh mint, and chilled soda water. Cut limes into wedges and bruise mint with care to avoid bitterness. Make a small batch of simple syrup at a 1-to-1 ratio for consistent sweetness. Keep ice crushed and ready, and train staff on muddling pressure for uniform flavor daily. Build each mojito with speed and care to maintain freshness and presentation. Muddle mint with syrup at the glass base, add lime juice and measured rum, then fill with crushed ice. Stir gently to integrate flavors and lift muddled mint through the drink. Top with chilled soda, garnish with a mint sprig and lime wheel, and serve with a straw angled for aroma. Note glass temperature and drink timing for peak enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.